Hey, today's video it's all about the Ordinary skincare for beginners. You know the Ordinary has so many products, you know that already, right? Some products you cannot mix together, but these products that I'm talking about right now are the products that you can for sure use and combine. They are the foundation of the Ordinary skincare routine, and I'll talk about them a bit. And also these products are good for all skin types. So the first one is the cleanser. The cleanser, the observation I have about this cleanser is I like to use it in the morning. I don't like to use this one for removing makeup because I just feel there are other cleansers that will work better for this, you know? So I just don't do that. So the next one is the caffeine solution. So actually not. The first one's the cleanser. Then we go to the moisturizing. What I have to do about this moisturizing is that it's not the best I've ever tried because the skin can absorb it really well, and actually it's not the best. It's one of the best, but it's in my favorite list. Not my top one, but still my favorite list. It works really well. It's very hydrating, and I don't feel that it sticks on the skin. This is a nice thing. And now finally we can go to the caffeine solution, which is for the eyes. So we start with the cleanser, and then you can go to the moisturizer, and then apply the caffeine serum. I have another one I think that I prefer. I have to say, to be honest here, right? And this one dries out my skin a little bit. So maybe that would work if you try to use it with a creamy moisturizing under eye cream that's moisturizing, that you apply both, but I don't really feel the need to use this one. I definitely don't. And if you want to add a serum to your skincare, you do it before applying the natural moisturizer, right? So then this is not so basic, because the basic is cleanser, moisturizer, and eye serum, right? But you can add a serum here between the cleanser and the moisturizer, and then you can apply the serum. And to complete all of that, you can use the sunscreen if you are going out on the day, or if you are in the night. Of course, you don't need the sunscreen, but this is the very basic to get started. And I have to say that some skins like mine, I don't need loads of products. The less the better. So I take this off because I use another cream, and I wear for under the eyes, and I would wear just these three, or even I take the serum off and wear just these two cleanser. But remember, in my opinion, I prefer the cleanser for the morning because I don't think that's the best option for me to remove makeup in case I have the makeup. So for the morning I need something that's lighter. I prefer this one. So, and this was the quick review about the the very basic. It's the foundation of the Ordinary skincare routine. And don't forget, actually remember that I have a full article. Actually, I had a handful of articles talking about The Ordinary, and you can go to themakeup.org and search The Ordinary, because I have lots of details on how to layer different products, and I have more details on which one of these products for the basic skincare routine for beginners. And you can find individual reviews like this, and just make sure to get that and subscribe and like. See you in the next video.